Hello everyone, we're redesigning packaging. This package you see in my hand is the pre-designed version of a chocolate truffle. Now, I'm opening this design, or rather, I need to open it to learn how the box is made, take measurements, and redesign it. This detail is important. Now we've opened it, as you can see, it's a box with slight slopes. It's not a flat box. Yes, it's a box like this, and I need to measure it. Now we're moving on to Adobe Illustrator. We're uploading the picture we took. After uploading using the pen tool, I'm tracing the edges. This is crucial for measuring and creating an outline. After outlining, as you can see, we need to measure. Now that I've taken the measurements, I'm transferring it to an Illustrator file. I'm adjusting the lines according to each measurement. As you can see, the artwork is a bit large for these dimensions, so don't worry. We can always shrink the network later if needed. It's an artwork adapted to the image. I'm doing it like this, and as you can see, due to the curves, we need to shift it slightly to the side. They're done. Now we need to leave margins for cutting and folding. I'm leaving some extra space for cutting and folding. Before we continue, I'd like to share a quick bit of information with you. Then we can get back to the video.
I've created a comprehensive video on branding and packaging design on Udemy. In this video, I clarify essential topics such as color selection, websites for exploring color options, font choices, creating mood boards, and more. Additionally, I provide valuable resources that you can download. For more details, I'll include the link below. I've also launched a course for those looking to learn Adobe Illustrator from the ground up. I'll add its link below as well. For more videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Alright, back to the video. As you can see, we've made this design. Now, as I mentioned, the artwork's a bit large, so I'll resize it. I'm adjusting it to a normal size to fit the design. Okay, now that we've done that, we'll start with color selection. I'm not planning to change the colors, they'll stay the same, but their placement might change. So, as you can see here, 4 colors are used. I'm adding all 4 colors here. I want to use all of them here. For example, as you can see, the top covers are light blue, and the middle design is in a different color. We can change this up. Now, let's slowly move on to the design. So we'll start with the text first, which means we need to select a font. After choosing the font, our job gets easier. First, let's try some fonts. I recommend trying several, not just one, to find the most suitable option. This font looks great, let's use it. Now I'm looking for a second one. This is different. Yes, we've done it. Now I'm choosing from these 4 fonts. To choose, you can create a unique design. For example, you can take a P from one font and add it to another you like, just as I've done here. Now I'm writing the other texts using the same content but with a different font. Let's write them all and continue our design. I'm cropping the text and adapting it to this icon. Alright, we've written all the text. Now it's time for design. This will be in the center, and we need an icon, a truffle icon. I made a design like this with the truffle icon. I'm presenting my design, and since it has a soft taste, I'm creating an icon that conveys the meaning of soft. I want to design it this way, so I'll use this line in my design. The old design used a line too, but I want to use it differently. As you can see, it was used at the top before, but I'll use it at the bottom to emphasize the softness. To convey the curvature and softness, I'm writing original in the center. I see some icons here like 100% natural, vegan, and cocoa. I'll use these too. I've decided to create them separately and then combine them. I'll ask ChatGPT for help with the text, as the current text isn't very clear. I use ChatGPT to generate text for each page from the image, and I'm pasting all those texts here. I'll edit all 4 sides and then create the design. Alright, let's start with the colors. We'll make the top cover this color and the bottom cover like this. I'm going to design several color schemes, creating multiple versions using the same color palette. Here's the first version. The other version is similar, same colors but in different places. I'll use whichever I like more. Now we need to add the text we wrote here. Let's add it and center it. Front, sides, and back are similar. I'm pasting the emblem and using different colors for each. I'm making the Vex color match the top cover color. I don't want to make it black. Black would be out of place. I'm doing the other side and moving to the back. There's just plain text there. I'm adjusting the curve, editing the text a bit, centering it. Now we'll adapt these to different colors. I like this one, so I printed it. It turned out great. Now I'll cut the white parts and we can start folding. Let's see how it looks when we cut it. Alright, we've cut it. Now we're moving to folding. I'm using a roller for a neat fold. We place it on the edge and fold like this for a smoother result. There, we've got a nice straight line. It's a simple method. Now we fold and glue the edges. I'm sealing the bottom, but not with glue. There, it's stuck. Now for the top part. I'm folding it like this, then gluing it after. The old design had the top glued too. As you can see, it's a lovely design. I really like it. If you do too, please like. Don't forget to follow me. See you in the next video. Take care.